Alrighty, 3S. Now, I've only got a small 4000 milliamp in here, which was actually not meant to go in this car. It was meant to go in a different car today. But the 3S battery that I bought has the XT150s, and I've hooked this car up with XT60s, and I forgot to bring my adapter. So this is going to be a bit of a shorter run, and on top of that, this battery is only like 30C or something, so it's not going to have the best punch. But just so I don't have to come back another day to do a 3S run, I'm going to make the most of what I can and kind of show you what this one can do with the battery that I have. And by the way, on the 2S run, something that happened that I didn't notice was my body broke at the back here. Look at that. As I was changing batteries, I noticed that. What a shame. I'm going to have to get a clear one of these, because I think the clear ones are actually Lexan, not PVC. That's what I've heard anyway. Usually, I remember Hobby King did the same thing with their rally car when they had that RZ4 or ZR4, whatever it was. The stock body shattered, and then if you got the clear body, it was like proper Lexan. So I'm hoping that this is the same thing here. Yes, this thing has go on 3S. Oof, man, I can tell now the servo's a little slow, I'm kind of overcorrecting it a little bit, and then have to correct my correction because it's just not centering as fast. Oof. And yeah, this has a lot more authority in the air. This is why we start on the small jumps, so we can get a bit of a feel of what it's doing, because obviously I've just come from a 2S run, now I'm going into 3S, and you kind of have to relearn the car again. So wow, this has got some go. Holy smokes, man, this thing goes. Yeah, no worries. This is sick. Oh my god, this thing hammers. Oh yes, let's go, come on. And this is with a weak battery. Imagine this thing, because I've got a 5500 50C fully charged now that I'm gonna have to put on storage charge when I get home. But man, I'm gonna have to come back again with a better battery. Or maybe what I should do is just put XT150s in this thing. I don't know. Oh man, this thing cooks. All right, let's go on the big jump. Let's not waste too much time here because I don't have a big battery. What? Oh, I thought I could get away with a double. No, I've broken it. No, I thought I could get away with a double. I've broken it. First massive jump. What a shame. I shouldn't have done that. That was my fault. My fault. I thought I could get away with the double. But no. What did I, yeah. Ooh, snapped. Did I break the arm? Yeah, the arm did break, sorry. So it split at the seam. I've lost my hinge pin, which I gotta go look for it. Oh no, the hinge pin's in there. No, it's in there. Sorry, let me zoom out a bit. Hinge pin's in there. So yeah, I've bent my shock shaft. So this is what happens. That was a nasty hit. So that's fine, that's okay. I'm willing to take that one on the chin. That was entirely my fault. But this is the sort of thing that I see on, you know, when people come in with these cars. It's this type of damage. But I mean, to do what I just did, you can't expect everything. So I'll take that one. That was my fault. What a shame. So I'm not going to finish the video here because it was such a short run that now when we cut this, you're going to see this car with a fresh battery, a fixed up arm, and hopefully we'll have the power and speed to pull that double off.
One eternity later.
Alright, car's fixed and ready to roll. So let's see how we go now. First jump of the day, we're doing alright. So yeah, couldn't leave the running video the way that it was, so I had to come back and do this again. And it's been a couple of weeks, believe it or not, since almost 2 weeks now since I've been out here. About a week and a half or so. So yeah, really hanging to see how this thing goes. I like this car. This car's good. It drives so good. We're okay. We're good. We're good. Oh no, we're not good. No, we're not good. No, didn't break again. What happened? What happened? Oh no, I've broken a link. Are you serious? I'm not having any luck with this car. That was so innocent. That was so innocent. No. Oh no. Oh no. Damn, I'm not having any luck with this one. The standard Quantum was going so well. And this one, 2 jumps in after I fixed it, and the link breaks. I don't even know how that broke. How did that break? Oh no, I've seen these links break, but that wasn't even a hard hit. Like, oh, that's disappointing. Am I gonna have to come back again? No, we're gonna have to finish it here because I know you guys are dying to see this thing run on 3S. It will be back though. It will be back. So, oh well. Such is life. Such is the life as of an RC reviewer, I guess. Sometimes you you beat the hell out of a car and nothing happens. Other times you don't even try that hard and things go wrong. So, oh well, that's the way it is. And yeah, I guess we'll finish it here and come back another day. That's it from me, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.